Agbusa Assembly, say Asade and Chiaka so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana, nation builder and the visionary leader. A year Nadaroma and appointed a call Tree Crops Development Authority. And send your Busa no Koshas 17 February 2025.
So okay.
And the appointment by it me it take you over now 17th February 2025. To you more your dear Fanny 5 months. Sana.
Yeah, I see. This authority a year more under ministry bay.
A Ministry of Food and Agriculture.
Okay.
What kind of food and agriculture, but 3 strong ministries now are connected.
Okay.
Remudia supervised by Ministry of Food and Agriculture. Now, say you share governance structure so we have 29 member board. 29 3 ministries. Ministry of Food and Agriculture, Ministry of Trade, Agribusiness and Industry, and Ministry of Finance.
Okay.
They all sit on the board.
Okay.
That's 24 come from the private sector.
Okay.
So it's a private sector led authority. 24 of them come from the only 2 per NAA government excellence in appointees.
Okay.
The CEO and the board chairman.
I see.